Imagine a future where food isn't grown on land, but on water. Picture sprawling, lush farms drifting gracefully on the surface of rivers and oceans, harnessing the power of the sun and the depths below to grow fresh, nutritious food. It might sound like a far-fetched idea, something from a science fiction movie, but what if I told you that future is already here? And it's happening in Japan. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest tech news and reviews. And before moving ahead, do subscribe for regular updates. Japan, a country known for its technological advancements and innovative solutions, has embraced this seemingly futuristic concept as a way to address global challenges such as food security and environmental sustainability. Today, we'll be exploring the rise of Japan's floating farms, the innovative minds behind these groundbreaking projects, and the potential impact they could have on our world. What are floating farms? Floating farms are a unique and innovative approach to agriculture that involves growing crops on floating platforms on the surface of water bodies, such as rivers, lakes, and oceans. Unlike traditional farming methods, which require land-based fields and soil, floating farms offer a novel way to cultivate crops in a variety of environments, including areas with limited or no arable land. These farms typically consist of rafts or platforms made from materials such as plastic, wood, or metal, which are anchored to the water's surface. The platforms can be customized in various shapes and sizes to optimize crop growth and can be equipped with irrigation systems, shade nets, and other agricultural technologies. The crops grown on floating farms can vary depending on the location and climate, but commonly include vegetables, fruits, herbs, and even rice. This method of agriculture offers several potential benefits. Firstly, it can help alleviate pressure on land resources by providing an alternative platform for crop cultivation. Secondly, floating farms can potentially reduce water usage as the crops are irrigated using a drip system that minimizes water wastage. Additionally, the use of floating farms can help reclaim unused water bodies, such as polluted rivers or abandoned fish farms, contributing to environmental restoration. Moreover, this innovative approach can offer new opportunities for aquaculture and integrated multi-trophic aquaculture, allowing for the simultaneous farming of both plants and aquatic animals. Floating farms have gained particular attention in recent years due to their potential to provide sustainable and resilient food production systems. In a world facing challenges such as population growth, urbanization, and climate change, this innovative approach to agriculture holds promise for ensuring food security while minimizing environmental impact. The allure of floating farms. Why is Japan leading the way? Now that we understand what floating farms are all about, let's delve into the reasons behind Japan's pioneering work in this field. Several factors make Japan uniquely positioned to lead the way in floating farm technology. Firstly, Japan's geographical location and natural environment play a significant role. As an island nation with a vast coastline and numerous rivers and lakes, Japan has abundant water resources that can be utilized for floating farm projects. Additionally, Japan's high population density and limited arable land make it essential to explore innovative farming methods to ensure food security for its citizens. The country's aging population and decreasing agricultural workforce also drive the need for efficient and sustainable farming solutions. Japan's technological advancements and expertise in areas such as robotics, precision agriculture, and renewable energy contribute to its ability to develop and implement cutting-edge floating farm technologies. The Japanese government's support and policies promoting sustainable agriculture and environmental conservation also play a vital role in fostering innovation in the field. Furthermore, Japan's rich culture of innovation and its history of adapting foreign technologies to local needs have paved the way for the adoption and improvement of floating farm concepts. Lastly, Japan's increasing collaboration and partnerships with other countries and organizations involved in agricultural research and development ensure that it remains at the forefront of floating farm technology. Key players and innovations. Showcasing excellence in floating farm technology. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key players and innovations driving the floating farm revolution in Japan. 1. The University of Tokyo. The university's Department of Agricultural Sciences has been conducting research on floating farms, exploring various aspects such as crop production, water quality, and environmental impacts. Their studies have provided valuable insights into optimizing floating farm systems for sustainable agriculture. 2. Kyoto University. Kyoto University's Center for Southeast Asian Studies has been working on developing floating farms as a potential solution to food security challenges in Southeast Asian countries. Their research focuses on low-cost and easily replicable floating farm models that can be adapted to different local conditions. 3. National Agriculture and Food Research Organization, NARO. NARO is a leading Japanese agricultural research organization that has been investigating the feasibility and benefits of floating farms. Their research includes studies on the growth performance of crops, water management, and the potential for integrating floating farms into existing agricultural systems. 4. Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. JICA has been promoting the use of floating farms in developing countries as a means of improving food security and livelihoods. They have supported projects that provide training and technical assistance to farmers in developing countries, enabling them to adopt floating farm technology. 5. Private companies. Several private companies in Japan have also recognized the potential of floating farms and have invested in research and development. These companies are working on developing innovative floating farm technologies, including advanced irrigation systems, sensors, and data analytics to optimize crop production and resource utilization. Challenges and future outlook. Navigating challenges and embracing collaboration. Despite the promising potential of floating farms, it's essential to acknowledge and address the challenges associated with this innovative approach. One major challenge is the initial investment cost for setting up floating farms, which can be substantial, particularly for developing countries or individual farmers. Additionally, the maintenance and operation costs associated with floating farms can be significant, requiring specialized skills and regular upkeep to ensure optimal performance. Furthermore, regulatory and policy frameworks may not yet be fully developed to support the large-scale adoption of floating farms, creating uncertainty and potential legal complexities. However, despite these challenges, the future outlook for floating farms remains positive. Continued research and development, coupled with supportive government policies and international collaborations, can pave the way for wider adoption of this sustainable agriculture method. By embracing innovation, investing in research, and fostering public-private partnerships, Japan and other countries can unlock the full potential of floating farms in addressing global food security challenges while minimizing environmental impact. As we conclude our exploration of Japan's floating farms, let us reflect on the incredible potential of this innovative approach to agriculture. From the fertile waters of Tokyo Bay to the research labs of renowned universities, Japan is cultivating a future where food production meets sustainability. If you found this video informative and want more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. We would love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the future of farming. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Japan's floating farms. Until next time, keep thinking outside the box and let's continue to explore the amazing innovations shaping our world. See you in the next one.